Hello everyone, once again I am before you with economics for class 9 class 10, and already I have started chapter 3, money and credit. And today I am going to discuss that what is credit, what do we mean by terms of credit. We know that credit plays two types of role in various situation or in different situation. One is positive role and other one is negative role. When credit helps the borrower and increases his earnings or makes his life or situations better, then we say that credit has played a positive role, and it is very important for the people to fulfill or meeting their endless demands or increasing demands. But when someone has taken credit and he fails to repay the credit in time, that happens mostly with the rural people or the farmers, small farmers mainly, because they take the credit before the sowing of the crop, and they promise to repay it after the harvest, and many times they fail to repay it because of their crop failure and or some other reasons. So that is why they are put in debt trap and they become unable, and then we say that here credit has played a negative role, and instead of making their earnings better or increasing their earnings, it has made them to depart with some of their resources that they owned, or they used to sell some part of their land to repay the previous and take the present loan. So in this way, what we see that in rural areas the main demand for credit is mainly for crop production, and crop production involves certain types of risk also, and they have to you buy the inputs, various inputs like seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, etc., that they are supposed to use before for farming. And after farming or after the crop, when it is ready on the field, then it is harvested and sold in the market, then they become able to repay it. But many times, due to pest, due to flood or scarcity of water, the crop they become unable to get the expected harvest or the production, and they fail to repay the taken amount or borrowed amount to the lender. And in this way, repayment of the loan depends only or mainly on the income from farming in rural areas. So the failure of the crop made them to or made their repayment impossible, and credit, instead of helping them, make their situation worse. So now I'm going to explain that of course credit is needed, but formal sources, their numbers should increase in rural areas so that the people may take easy credit, and the charges asked on the loan supplied to the agriculturist, especially the poor farmer, must be lower than those charged by the informal sources. So now I am going to explain what are the terms on which the credit is supplied to the borrower by the formal sources of credit. So every loan agreement, we know that it specifies an interest rate. As the depositor, they get interest from the bank where they deposited. Just like that, bank uses the maximum part of that deposit to extend loan. But why banks give loans to the borrowers? So that its profit increases, or it charges interest to on the loan that he supplies to the bank supplies to the borrower. So the borrower must pay to the lender along with the repayment of the principal. They are charged with interest also that they are supposed to repay with the principal. So in addition, lenders may demand collateral also. So now next thing that I'm going to discuss with you all is what is collateral. Collateral is the asset or the paper of the property that the borrower possesses or that the borrower owns. If borrower has land, building, vehicle, jewelry or deposits with bank, then that can they use or that can be used by the borrower to as a guarantee to get the loan from the lender. And this paper or the asset or the document of the asset is kept by the banks as a guarantee until the loan is repaid. So what is collateral? Collateral is the asset of the property or the vehicle or anything which is valuable for in the market, and that has to be given to the lender, and lender keeps that paper until the loan is repaid by the borrower. And if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the lender has the right to sell the asset or collateral to obtain payment. Means if the borrower is not has not become able to repay the loan in time, then in that case what the lender does, lender sell the asset or collateral to get the payment back. So properties such as land titles, deposits with banks, livestock are some common examples that is being used by the borrower as a guarantee to get loan from the banks. So suppose a house loan has to be taken, and to take the house loan, what are the things to be asked by the lender, that I am going to discuss here. So if someone has taken a loan of 10 lakh rupees from the bank or 15 lakh rupees from a bank to purchase a flat or a house, the annual interest rate on the loan is it is here it is written 12%, but nowadays it is not 12% because house getting or making the house available to everyone is now on which the government gives subsidy also to the borrower, and it is the basic needs of basic things that everyone should be given. So banks have also been instructed by the government to decrease the interest charged on the housing loan. So what we see, the annual interest rate on the loan is suppose 9% in monthly installment to be given, and the borrower has to submit to the banks what things the borrower submit, that we call on what terms the banks provides loan to the housing loan to the borrower, that we are going to mention. So what are terms of credit? Terms of credit comprises of the document required, the mode of repayment, then of course duration of loan, and interest rate charged on the amount, and collateral, etc. These are the things that has to be present while taking loan, or these are known as terms of credit on which the lender supplies loan to the borrower. So now I'm going to finish the lecture. In my next video lecture I will discuss with you once again what types of loan a borrower can take from the banks, and what are the interest rate terms of interest rate or other things, why it varies, and what are the terms on which the various loans are provided, or are the terms on various loans are same or it differs. Okay, thank you boys.